Alright, so when you're using the watercolors, like I have mentioned, you don't want to dig into the watercolors. What you want to do is make sure that your brush is wet, so put it into your water cup, kind of swirl it around, get some water on there, and then you're going to go to the color you want to use. So if I want to use yellow, I'm going to kind of dab the brush on there so to get water. If there's not enough, I'll put a little bit more, okay, until there's a puddle. Alright, then if I want to use this color, I'm just going to kind of go back and forth and get some water and a little bit of the color on there. Then I can go to my project paper and I can start to paint. If you go to your paper and you have chunks of paint showing up, that's telling me, and that should tell you, that you're using too much of the paint and not enough water. Okay, you should be able to move it freely. Alright, if you start to use your brush and when you're going back and forth with it, if it starts to scrape, okay, if you're not getting a lot of water, then you're going to have to add a little more water, because again, these are watercolors. You got to use the water. Okay, so if you finish with the color, you want to put your brush back into the water container, swirl it around a little bit, get that color off, and then you can go to your next color. So you can go to, say, orange. Put that little puddle in there. Alright, and then you can go ahead and use that. Okay, remember we're only using red, orange, and yellow today. Okay, so once you're all done, again, clean your brush, and if you're done with the entire project, you're going to go ahead, clean off your brushes, put them back, close this up, the palette, okay, as soon as everybody at your table's done. Oh, my palette doesn't want to close. There we go. Alright, then you're going to carry it over to the sink area. Do not do this where you lean it, because there will be water inside. If you lean it over while you're walking, you're going to make a big mess. You're going to make a trail of water on the floor, and we don't want to do that. Okay? So take care of your supplies. Make sure that you take your container. Mine's a lot fancier than the one you'll have, but you'll take that container over to the sink, dump the water, and then stack all the cups together. Okay?